me teach you how to do this trending viral niche, okay? So right now, this niche is actually trending and it's going viral on social media, not only on YouTube. You can use it for every social media platform and it's actually going viral. Something like this that you already have on the screen, and to do it with AI, which means you don't need to stress it out. I'll teach you how to prompt it. I'll teach you how to generate the image, and I'll teach you how to turn it into a video.
Subscribe.
And if at all you want to create a story around this, I'll teach you how to do this. But with these videos, you can actually use them to work with brands, like makeup brands, you can use them for makeup brands, hair brands, and stuff like that. You can actually use these videos and work with brands. Hi, my name is Wokobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize the social media platforms, how to edit videos, and how to work with AI tools. So do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you, because I teach about AI growth and everything. So you can drop your comment in the comment section, okay? And then again, I have courses that I hold for things like this. So let's go. Let me teach you how to actually work with this tool and get to make money on social media without stressing yourself. Let's go. First thing first, what we need to do is we come here to Chat GPT, okay? You come to your Chat GPT. This is the one I use. You click on it. Now, what I'll tell you is this is my Chat GPT and I already have my prompts. So these are my prompts. You can actually see 2 prompts there, please. You can pause and screenshot this prompt so you can use them later, okay? You can click and copy on top and use them later to try out yours. Or you actually prompt out as well. So I actually said realistic detailed artwork of a fair skin model receiving mini mature beauty treatment, okay? Now, teeny professional makeup artists in white uniform are using ladders, tools, and teeny tools to apply eyelashes, eyeshadow, lipstick, and blush. The scene is seriously detailed, please, okay? With realistic texture, soft lighting, and a glamorous beauty studio. Guys, that's the thing I put, okay? The model's face is large in the background, while the mini mature makeup artists walk around her like a team of experts. So this is what I actually put. Please, that's my prompt. And you can go down. We have another prompt. And then we have another prompt. Okay? So you can only screenshot this and then you use. Now let's go to creating our images. I will put my fingers on this. And I copy the first one. So we are going to create the image first. You all know how it works. Image first before the videos. So we go to Pick Lumen. This is Pick Lumen here, the purple app. This is how it looks like. Pick Lumen. I'll click. I'll put it up on the screen. Pick Lumen, the name of the app and how it look up on the screen. Now when you open Pick Lumen, you have it like this. Okay? These are things other people have created, pictures other people have created and all that. If you're new on this page, please, if you're a new subscriber, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment. Now, this is Pick Lumen. What we do here is, you see this pen down here, this pen icon. We have four icons here at the edge. I'll choose the one in the second one. That's the pen icon. You choose it. Now, when you choose the pen icon, these are my images that I created already. Now, I'll click here where they say, what do you want to draw? I'll click on top and I paste my prompt. Now, when I paste my prompt, I'll click these badges by the side, these lines by the side. You click the lines and then I come here and I change the size of my photo, okay? I change the size of my photo because I want a longer image like the TikTok form. Now, I'll click there. Then I come here. After I click that and I save it, I'll come here and I click this arrow that goes up. I click on the arrow and I wait for my image to generate. Okay, so let's wait and see what we got. Let's wait and see what we have. Okay, so we'll create the first one, then the second, then the third one, and then we go to generating them. So, okay, this is the first one that I got. Let's see. This one stands perfect. Yes, this one stands perfect. So I'll take this one. I'll take this image. Yeah, the image is good. So what I'll do is I'll just click on the image. Once you click on top of the image, see this other one? Yeah, so I'll just take this particular one, just swap it, and you see these 3 buttons under. Once you take these 3 buttons, it will tell you to download, and I'll download that. Okay. Now I'll go back. I really wanted this one, but this one, it's not clear. The creatures there are not very clear. So I'll go back and take the second prompt. I'm going back to ChatGPT. I'm going back to ChatGPT to get the second prompt. So there, I'll copy. I'll go back to Piclumen, and then I paste my prompt again. I'll paste my prompt and drop. And wait for it to load, okay? Wait for it to load. And if you don't like any of these images, please, you can recreate. You can recreate them. You can repeat them because they'll not give you the same again, okay? So let's see this one. Which one goes well? I think I'll recreate again. I'll click on top of that place again and get second option. Those ones, I don't like any of them because their mini creatures are not standing well. So if I have to generate to an image, it will not give how it's supposed to give. Okay, now you see these ones? Yeah, this one's perfect. Yeah, this one is good. So I'll click on it. I swap up, click and download. Yeah, click and download. Come to this one, swap up, click the 3 buttons and download. Then I go back to get the last prompt. Let me get the last prompt. Now this one. Okay. Let's go back to Piclumen. Get to Piclumen, drop our prompt again, and wait for it to download. Okay, so we are waiting for this to download, okay? Okay, this one is supposed to be super perfect. But what are these people doing into her eyes like? Okay, let's try another. Let's give it another try. Like you all know, this is AI. AI cannot be 100% perfect the way you want. Sometimes the picture just comes out, boom, how you want it. And then some other time, you need to reprompt to get what you want, okay? So there. Okay, now I think this one is going to go. This one will go. Let me click and download. This one too will go. Yeah, let me click and download. So I'll go to the next app now. Okay, now we are going to the next app. Let's go to my browser. So I'll go to my browser and click. This is Hulu AI. I always use Hulu AI for my video generation because you all already know Hulu AI is actually free and is good. So yeah, we have the first one. We have image to video. We have text to video. And then we have sounds to videos, okay? Yeah. So Hulu AI actually upgraded. So yeah, what we need to do is, for those who don't know Hulu AI, please, let me go back so I can show you all the app. So this is Hulu AI, right? The next app is going to be Hulu AI. This is Hulu AI. And on Hulu AI, we have 100 coins free every day. We have 100 free coins every day, and you can see what other people are generating, right? And this is super, super good video generation app. Now, what you do is you come to Hulu AI and you click the plus button here. When you click on this plus button, you must register, please. You must register. So you come on Hulu AI and you click the plus button. Once you click the plus button, you click the up here where you see this purple changing. You see that? So the first one is you can enchant camera movement by inputting natural this. That's the last one. The second one, you have text to videos, and then the other one you have image to video. The first one you have image to video. So I'll be choosing the image to video. So I'll click there and add in photo. They say add in photo. I'll click on add in photo and I'll bring in my photo. Okay, let's bring in this photo. So when we bring in this photo, I'll click up here. I'll click up there. I'll go back to ChatGPT. Let's go back to ChatGPT and take the first prompt, okay? Because I believe that picture is for the first prompt. Let's take the first prompt and go back to Hulu AI, okay? This is the first prompt. So what we need to do is here, where they say you can enchant camera this, I'll just put in our prompt. I'll put in the prompt because this prompt is what's going to make that video be the way it's going to be, because without your prompt, that video will just come out anyhow. But this prompt is going to control, this prompt is going to control what is happening in that video. Okay. Now you have a director mode, like here. You have director mode. You can see the model. When you click on top of model, you see director mode. You see image to video 01 live. And then you have image to video 01 director. Okay. So I'll choose this one in the middle. Yes, I'll choose the one in the middle because live character, smooth, vivid, and perfect for 2D illustrations. So I'll choose this one. I will not go for the first. I will not go for the second. I'll just choose this particular one. This one is basic image to video model. Basic image to video model 00 series 1. This one is actually series 1. So since we are not doing 3D, let's choose the series 1, okay? That one. You choose it and then you come here where you see 30 coins, you click and generate. You click on generate, you click on the 30 and then you wait for it to generate. Now, once you click on the 30, they'll tell you this is in Query. You see one job in Query, and that is the job in Query. That's the job in Query. So we have to wait for this thing to generate. It will take time, 10 minutes. They said we should wait for 10 minutes. Please, if you've been watching this video till now, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to teach you, or the next niche that you've seen on social media and is trending and you want me to teach you, okay? So yeah, that's it. Please share the video and subscribe. So we'll wait for 10 minutes for this video to generate, and I'll come back and show you guys how it looks like, okay? Yeah, so let's just wait for a few minutes. So now our creation is done, okay? I'll click and show you how it is. So you can see that. Yes, this is perfect. This is nice. You can see how these people are working on that on the face. And if you don't like this, you can recreate again. Like I said, you can always recreate. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's the result from Holio AI, and you can all see that they have good results. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.